quadrilateral construction and types. In that, construct the triangles with given measures. Means all four constructions are revisions in 7th standard, and that we completed yesterday. All four constructions. Every quadrilateral has four angles. Every quadrilateral has four angles, four sides, and two diagonals. So there are 10 elements of each quadrilateral. Every quadrilateral has four angles, four sides, and two diagonals. So there are 10 elements of each quadrilateral. So today we are going to see construction of quadrilateral. There are construction of quadrilaterals are their types are given. Four types of constructions are there. Four types of construction of quadrilaterals are given. First construction in that first type is to construct a quadrilateral if the lengths of four sides and a diagonal is given. And a diagonal is given. Means out of 10 elements, if they give five elements, no need to give all 10 elements. At least with the help of 5 elements, we can construct the quadrilateral construction of quadrilateral. So here, if the lengths of four sides and diagonal is given, which four sides is 4 elements and diagonal is 1 element. So here 5 elements are given. And example is construct quadrilateral PQR is such that length of PQ is equal to 5.6, QR is 5 centimeter, then PQ is QR is 5 centimeter, PS is 4.3 centimeter, then RS is 7 centimeter, and QS is 6.2 centimeters. So how to construct this? The rough figure you can draw with the help of your book is given. The rough figure of this construction is PQ, RS, this 5.6, this 5 centimeter, this 7 centimeter, 6.2 centimeter, and this is 4. How to construct this with the help of instrument? See here. So you take PQ 5.6. There are only two instruments we are using, only compass and scale. So take 5.6. This is my 5.6. 5.6. Name the segment PQ. 5.6 centimeter. Then, with the help of compass and scale, construct this triangle first, PQS, and then QRS. So construct first triangle PQS. Take here PQ 5.6 centimeter. Then take 6.2. 6.2. Then put point on Q. Put point on Q. Draw the arc. This is SQ 6.2. Then PS is given 4.3. Again take 4.3. It's my 4.3. Put point on P. Put point on P. Draw the intersecting arc to this previous arc. Then take arc. Limited arc you take, extra arc you rough and keep limited arc only, and join this point is S, join PS and QS. This is 4.3 centimeter, this is 6.2 centimeter. Then take 5 centimeter in compass, 5 centimeter. Put point on Q. Draw the arc, 5 centimeter. Then take in compass 7 centimeter. Put point on S and draw the intersecting arc to this. If it's not intersected, then again take with the help of this. Then rub the extra arc. Now this point is PQRS. This point is R. Join QR and SR. This is your 5 centimeter and this is your 7 centimeter. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and one diagonal. If four sides and one diagonal is given, it's construction of quadrilateral. Your second construction is construct this construction, and the second type is to construct a quadrilateral with three sides and two diagonals. Here three sides given, 1, 2, 3 and two diagonals, this diagonal, this diagonal. For example, construct quadrilateral WXYZ such that length of YZ 4 cm, ZX 6 cm, then WX 4.5 cm, ZW 5 cm, YW 6.5 cm. Then here you take first ZW as base, ZW 5 cm. This is 5 cm. ZW. Then take in compass this 6.5. 6.5. This is my 6.5. Put point on W. This is one diagonal. This is 6.5. Now this Z, Y is given, YZ is given 4. Take in compass 4. Put point on Z. Rough extra mark. Now this point is Y. Join YZ as well as YW. First this triangle 6.5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. Now construct this triangle YWX. Put in compass distance 4.5 centimeter. This is my 4.5 centimeter. Put point on W. Then this diagonal is given 6 centimeter. Take in compass 6 centimeter with the help of scale. This is my 6 centimeter. Now put point on Z. Draw this diagonal. Rub the extra arc. Then join. This point is X. X, Y, Z, W. Join X, W and X, Y. Then add lengths. Here this is 4.5 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. See, three sides means 1, 2, 3, and two diagonals means this diagonal and this diagonal. If three sides and two diagonals are given, construct a quadrilateral. If four sides and one diagonal is given, construct a quadrilateral. Two types we saw today. Then remaining two types we see in the next period, and this type of construction in practice at 8.1. You see which are the construction. I think first one, second one is, and fourth one is. Second and fourth you try to solve, try to construct, and these two also, and send me as early as possible. Okay.